Mary, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to stop this. I thought you have gone. What is up with you? Let my lawyer know where I'm going to. Officer, I'm respecting you. Talking to a lawyer is not a problem. Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Wait.
You so much want to be in this marriage. You want to be in this marriage, Abby?
If you just come in house, what arrest time like that? Because the reason this lady is acting
What about this video? Let them know.
of jealousy. Thank you. No. When did this? Wait. When they marry, they don't marry since last week.
Officers, calm down.
She's getting the phone. She knows say this thing won't happen today. She knows say this thing will happen today. Because this is just we are with something now.
No. See, madam.
We didn't say the complaint about madam. Now you don't come.
Why now?
I have a flight to catch.
You don't know you have a case in court. No, don't me. You don't know you have a case.
Mary, are you being serious?
Okay, let's say, wait. Calm down. Wait, calm down.
Let
me tell her. Calm down, please. Calm down. Please, calm down. Officer, I want you to hear. I want you to listen. Yes, I'm listening.
Don't you know?
Slow down.
Not the mask.
I know, calm down.
Now they push up and down. He has not it because I left him out.
The letter has been sent to you.
Then should I call the lawyer? Should I call the lawyer?
You want stupid marriage up and down, not concern me. All those ones now.
Call the lawyer. Is he ringing?
Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Come on.
Allow me to talk to my lawyer.
You want to drive him back? Let him back my feet.
Allow me to talk to my lawyer.
Wow, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I see the video where Lord of Lemon and Mary. And I know say ever since Lord of Lemon don't marry another woman, he don't show himself since they do different things, you know. So now Mary can go meet her and say, you lie. You know, if you use her, take create content, finish, you can't leave her. And when I know say they are matter they court, they never just divorce legally. Lemon never suppose make him marry another woman for now. No. Where don't want for the happen? You marry when be say you with the woman don't finally separate. I like the action where Mary take now. Mary carry police, take go arrest him. In with the woman, but one go do only move for UK, according to him. Now, as I talk to una so, Lord of Lemon dey prison. Mary don't carry police come to arrest him. Yeah, because she get the right. Now right, because this one me they wait for since. Wait till they worry Mary why you don't want to go arrest this guy. Because normally you never suppose me you marry another woman. Una never divorce. Court tell una say una stay together. Una stay the same house. Now you pack, go your new house. You just be like saying marry Mary, me your user. You marry Mary to use her. When you know say this girl born for you and you deal with this girl for house. Who does that?
Mary, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to stop this. I thought you have gone.
What is up with you?
Let my lawyer know where I'm going to. Officer, I'm respecting you. Talking to a lawyer is not a problem. Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Wait.
You so much want to be in this marriage. You want to be in this marriage, Abby?
If you just come in house, what arrest time like that? Because the reason this lady is acting
What about this video? Let them know.
of jealousy. Thank you. No. When did this? Wait. When they marry, they don't marry since last week.
Officers, calm down.
She's getting the phone. She knows say this thing won't happen today. She knows say this thing will happen today. Because this is just we are with something now.
No.
See, madam.
We didn't say the complaint about madam. Now you don't come.
Why now?
I have a flight to catch.
You don't know you have a case in court. No, don't me. You don't know you have a case.
Mary, are you being serious?
Okay, let's say, wait, calm down. Wait, calm down. Let me tell her. Calm down, please. Calm down. Please, calm down. Officer, I want you to hear. I want you to listen. Yes, I'm listening.
Don't you know?
Slow down.
Not the mask.
I know, calm down.
Now they push up and down. He has not it because I left him out.
The letter has been sent to you.
Then should I call the lawyer? Should I call the
You
lawyer?
want stupid marriage up and down, not concern me. All those ones now.
Call the lawyer. Is he ringing?
get what
Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Come on. Allow me to talk to my lawyer.
You want to drive him, let him pass my
Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Let my lawyer know where I'm going to. Officer, I'm respecting you.
Talking to a lawyer is not a problem.
Allow me to talk to my lawyer. Wait,
That is not a
I will follow you. I'll follow you. Because
this
witch,
It's your right.
this
Talk
witch,
to your lawyer.
you want to go my way. This witch.
Wizard, until you do not have sense, they will teach you. Oh, we're not following you. I'm not following you. Mama, don't say if you only see me, you only see me for any. You can't. Now the rest of the time, I drag a call like this.
Victor, please take every details of
You
this.
can't waste my time.
Don't miss every detail.
So you're better now. Put camera, say you see baby. Carry my book for me, I beg. You can't waste my time.
You see that thing where you
No, guy, lady, slow down first.
Wait.
You are very.
Hello?
I'm not like you.
You see that thing where you
I'm not like you.
You are very stupid to carry yourself and call them this morning.
For years.
You can't be very nice. Tell you. For you to what? You so much want to be in this marriage. You want to be in this marriage, Abi. I'm not going to
they just come to talk something.
legal wife.
If you used to go run now. Oh, yeah.
No, no.
Legal wife, you used to go run now.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, like a damn low.
No,
That
I already paid.
Officer, I cannot ask him to enter.
I already no. I get travel like I dey go UK like this.
See, it should not deal. It should not deal. No,
I already paid. No, that cannot work.
You know what happened today now? This is waiting 1 minute. All the own money where they don't spend concerning the flight.
Thank you. Just do it
Who
into
will
it.
refund them?
Money is not what's the stress.
I'm not talking to you. I don't even get your energy. I don't even have
I will want you. You so much want to be in this marriage, Abi. Legal wife. You want to be in this marriage. You want to be in this marriage.
I'm not hungry for marriage.
I'm not hungry. Get B now. So we get B. Get B now.
You would divorce me if you used to go run now. Let me so go. It's going that way. Let me so go.
Get to the station. Everybody will talk in mind. Skifu, do you understand what I'm trying to say? If we start dragging now, call your agent. The travel can wait because right now I don't think there's anything we can do about it. Then they here now they say they don't day here.
Who gave this guy this information?
Oh God!
Who gave this information?
See, you told me you get you compare my quietness. You compare my quietness. I keep you quiet. So they do what they're gonna say they do. Because say you get sense, you go not say this girl she quiet something.
I know, calm down.
You don't get sense. And if you they do nonsense, they even rubbing it to my face.
You have to go to the station and explain yourself better. We are here for understanding. I don't want you guys to get this. We are not resisting. We are not here on our own. We are not here on our own.
Have you seen it now?
We understand, but we are taking it to go and ask some questions. We are not here on our own. So you have to follow us, please.
Officers, this is something we can settle.
No.
I cannot leave my life at any cost.
There's nothing we can do.
Officers, if it's something, if it's something we can go when
you
we
will
come
show
back.
the world that money.
Stop touching me. See this girl.
Stop touching you. Why you
Don't push me.
Why you do that?
Let's go.
Lemon, let's go.
You know what? Guys, keep like him take talk.
Take him away.
Let's go. If you keep on
No,
what is up with you?
If you talk, it's not for your face.
What are you?
You think I'm mad?
What is your problem now?
Are you not wicked?
Why are you so wicked?
Are you not wicked?
Why are you so wicked?
Are you not wicked? Are you not wicked?
I beg.
Why are you so wicked?
Mary, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to stop this.
I thought you have gone.
Wait,
Officers don't touch me. Officers don't touch me. Now me already carry gun for. Now me already carry gun for. They handcuff me.
Put that thing in the car.
I'm wasting my time.
No, I can't follow you guys.
Press on.
You will follow. I will be ready.
I won't follow you guys.
Where is your car key?
One man,
I can't follow you guys.
you will follow. One man,
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
Madam, we are here for you.
God will punish you.